Hello, in front of me I've got Skate. In this video I'll show you how to set graphics preset for low-end PC. In the beginning, let's go to settings and go to graphics. Now, enable dynamic resolution, set resolution scale to 100. Enable upscaling method and switch it to quality. And select global graphics preset to high. If you still encounter the FPS drops, you can go to gameplay and disable general and disable pedestrians and traffic. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.